The episodes on this podcast may, at times, cover topics that other people may deem sensitive. These may include, but are not limited to, trauma, interpersonal conflicts, and relevant social topics. You are advised to refrain from watching or listening to the podcast if you're likely to be adversely impacted by any of the topics. The views, information, or opinions expressed in the podcast episode are solely the views of the host and by no means represent absolute facts. The opinions expressed can change at any time. On today's episode,
Ano ba sa tingin mo yung ibig sabihin ng the one that got away?
Parang you are closing off the possibility of meeting other people.
The person na soulmate nila pero hindi nila naging endgame.
Oo. Kahit kambal pa sila, magkaibang tao pa rin sila. Hi everyone! Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng
Ang Sakin Lang Naman
Podcast. Hi everyone! My name is Jet.
What's up? My name is Irene.
Ngayon wala ulit si Maring Cynthia. Busy. So,
Busy siya.
Yan. So ngayon kaming dalawa lang.
Ulit.
Yan. And today, ano bang topic natin?
Topic natin ngayon ay In Another Life. The one that got away.
The one that got away. So yun yung topic natin for today.
Yeah.
If this is your first time listening to the podcast, please feel free to follow us on Spotify and also on YouTube. And also, if you want to follow us on our social media accounts, the links will be on the description box below, sa baba.
Yeah.
Or kung nakikinig kayo sa Spotify, you can find them at the episode description. So please feel free to follow us there para maging updated kayo sa any new episodes.
Okay, so bago tayo magsimula, ano ba sa tingin mo yung ibig sabihin ng the one that got away or Todga?
Okay. So para sa akin, kasi I think, lalo na nung nakauso sa mga kanta ni Katy Perry, yung The One That Got Away. Parang, sa tingin ko, most people misunderstand the term Todga. Parang isip nila siguro mga crushes, ganyan. Kasi parang nakawala or parang hindi natuloy. Parang yun yun yung definition ng Todga para sa kanila. Pero I think kasi na, pag sinabing The One That Got Away, parang kailangan nyo munang magkaroon ng yung parang almost a relationship.
Okay.
Tapos, for some reason, nagkahiwalay kayo or nawala yung other person. Kasi diba like din sa kanta ni Katy Perry, they used to have a close relationship. Pero for some reason, nagkahiwalay sila. And then, from that point, parang iniisip niya ni Katy Perry na siya yung the one that got away, na nakakawala. So, in essence, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na the one that got away yung mga crushes natin kasi the first place, hindi naman sila naging sa atin.
Oh, okay.
Diba? Crush lang naman siya. It's a one-sided thing. So, for Todga, I think it should be somehow at least a two-way thing para nagkaroon kayo ng
something.
Mutual understanding. Pwedeng MU, pwedeng situationship, pwedeng fling, ganyan. Pero for some reason, nagkahiwalay kayo or you went on your separate ways, so hindi kayo natuloy.
Pero I really think there are misconceptions about the one that got away. Kasi some people think na yung mga the one that got away is the person na soulmate nila. Pero hindi nila naging endgame.
Oo.
Pero para sa akin, the one that got away is the person that is not really meant for you. And this is the person na binigay sa'yo at that moment because kailangan mo sila at that moment to learn a lesson.
Tama.
Pero hindi talaga sila yung taong meant for you. Kasi if they were really meant for you, they wouldn't have gotten away in the first place.
Tama naman.
Diba?
Oo. Parang dumaan lang talaga sila sa buhay mo for a specific reason.
Yeah.
Pero dahil parang na-romanticize din kasi yung idea ng the one that got away. So parang imbis na you move on with your life, parang kinakapitan natin yung idea na yun.
Yeah.
Pero sa tingin mo ba, is it ideal to romanticize yung personality ng Todga mo? Parang yung gagawin mong standard.
Basis, standard.
Feeling
ko hindi kasi magkaibang tao yung kasama mo ngayon.
Tama.
At yung taong yun. So dapat hindi mo siya gawing standard. In a way, ikaw ba?
Ako sa tingin ko hindi siya magandang idea dahil kapag ginawa mo kasing standard yung isang tao na wala na sa buhay mo, parang you are closing off the possibility of meeting other people.
Mm.
Parang nililimit mo yung sarili mo dun sa taong yun instead of opening up yourself to other people that might be better for you. Kasi kung hindi, mahirap na gawin mong standard yung isang tao lang. Eh, paano kung you meet someone na will treat you better pala?
Oo nga.
Paano yun? Baka lumagpas siya sa'yo or baka
Mm.
sa sobrang blinded mo with the
At
idea of
kino-compare
your,
mo kasi siya.
you're so blinded by the idea of your thought na wala ka ng ibang nakikita. So, I think it's not a good idea,
Yes.
but I also think that it's expected, lalo na kung fresh pa.
Kung fresh pa. Huwag kasi pumasok agad sa relationship
Kaya,
pag fresh pa.
pag fresh pa. Parang expected siya kasi syempre may longing ka pa. So,
Mm.
though, it is expected talaga, but I don't think it is a good idea to romanticize
Saka it
that
wouldn't
kind
be
of person.
fair to your current partner if you keep on
Oh,
thinking
lalo
about
na
you're the
kapag
one
ka
that got
ganun,
away.
yung pumasok ka sa isang relationship, pero yung isip mo, yung puso mo nandun pa
Mm.
rin sa ibang tao. Kasi, I also think din pala na if you romanticize your thought, tapos pumasok ka sa isang relationship,
Mm.
yes, it won't be unfair kasi no one will ever compare to someone. Kasi
Okay.
magkakaibang tao tayo eh.
Oo, oo.
So kung i-compare mo lagi yung current partner mo with your thought or the one that
Hindi ka
got
magiging
away,
happy.
hindi ka magiging happy kasi lagi mo silang i-compare.
Mm.
And they will never compare. Hindi niya mamimit yung other person na yun. At the same time, di rin mamimit nung totga mo yung current partner mo because they're two different people. Kahit kambal pa sila, magkaibang tao pa rin sila. So I don't think it is a good idea. Pero what if naman na let's say we have listeners right now who are in a situation na kung saan yung totga nila bumalik.
What if the one that got away
Oo,
came
literal
back?
na ang background music nila is yung kanta ni Katy Perry. The one that, yun yung music
The
nila habang
one that got
natutulog.
away. Pwede
Oo.
naman. Feeling ko, kasi 'di ba, lagi naman natin pinag-uusapan dito na everything happens for a reason.
Hmm.
Malay mo, bumalik siya kasi siya talaga yung para sa'yo. Kung
Oo.
bumalik, malay mo talaga.
Oo. So, syempre, dapat single ka.
Yun pala.
Oo.
Yun pala muna.
Maging single ka. Dapat, kung single ka at bumalik yung thought mo, why not?
Oo.
Kasi baka naman din, ayun nga, everything happens for a reason.
Mm-mm.
Maybe that was your perfect timing.
Oo.
Or baka may kailangan ka ulit matutunan, may kailangan ka ulit na ma-realize sa sarili mo. Pero what if naman you are in a relationship, tapos bumalik yung thought niya?
Syempre dapat hindi. Mali yun eh. Saka, mali yun.
Kaya nga.
Mali yun! Ayun na naman.
Oo, dapat
Oo.
mamili ka. Hindi yung,
Mamili.
wag
Hindi, pero-
mong pagsabayin.
Saka hindi. Feeling ko talaga, hindi siya meant pag ganon, na parang makakasira ka ng ibang tao.
Para lang
dun sa-
habulin. Oo.
So, feeling ko it's still a lesson pag ganon. Hindi pa rin yun yung timing nyo, kumbaga. Hindi pa rin siya yung para sa'yo.
Mm.
Kung makakasira siya ng relationship ng iba.
Oo. Pero if you really want, kasi syempre, nasa sa inyo naman din yan. If you really want to pursue a relationship with the other person that you consider the one that got away, siguro you have to make a decision muna. And if you really want to pursue that relationship with the other person, tapusin mo ng malinis.
Oo, kasi babalik na naman tayo dun sa last episode. Yung
Kaya
cheating.
nga, balik ka doon.
Balik ka dun sa
Pakinggan
pakinggan mo.
nyo, part 1 tsaka part 2. Pakinggan mo yun. Yun nga, parang hindi nga rin maganda. Kasi masakit siya, lalo na kung makikipag-break ka. Kung pipiliin mo yung totga mo, tapos makikipag-break ka. Parang napakasakit na dun sa partner mo na parang, hindi mo pala ako mahal. Hindi ka pala 100% sa relationship na to, pero pumasok ka.
Correct. Pero ikaw ba may thought ka?
Wala.
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 Ako din wala eh.
Ayoko,
Siguro,
hindi ako kasi ng taong na nag-hold on sa mga nakaraan.
so ibig sabihin yung mga past relationship mo, parang hindi mo naiisip na, what if ito yung nakatuluyan ko ngayon? Ano kaya nangyari sa amin? Pero normal yun ah.
Oo, normal naman siya, pero kayo hindi. Kasi
Naisip.
for me, when that relationship
Ends.
ended, it
Mm.
ended for a specific,
For a
it ended
reason.
for a reason. So okay na ako dun. Kampante na ako na malaman na that happened for a reason. So hindi ako yung klase ng tao na mag-hold on pa dun sa possibility ng what if or
Tama.
what would have happened kung naging kami pa. Kasi alam ko naman kung bakit natapos. It wasn't meant to be. And I'm fine with that. Well, kung nakikinig ka ngayon at may tatga ka, we wish you the best.
Yeah.
Wag ka masyadong
mag-hold on.
wag kang magpalulong dun sa idea ng tatga na.
Saka lagi mong isipin na hindi sila magiging the one, kung sila talaga yung for you, hindi sila aalis. And
True naman.
yung universe mismo yung sa inyo,
Yung magpapamit sa inyong dalawa. If you were really meant to be, magtatagpo kayo. So wag mo panghawakan yung idea. Wag mong kapitan yung idea na yun. Kasi baka marami kang mamiss. Maraming lumipas sa'yo na hindi mo napapansin. And so far, parang yun lang naman din yung pag-usapan natin for today. And we hope that we were able to help you and we were able to at least give some clarity dun sa issue na pinag-usapan
kahit wala
natin.
kaming totga.
Yes, kahit wala kaming totga. So,
Ang sa amin lang.
amin lang naman yun yung pangalan ng podcast. So, again, thank you so much for listening and watching. Again, feel free to follow us on Spotify and YouTube. Subscribe kayo doon para ma-notify kayo every time we post new episodes every Friday. And once again, the links on our social media accounts will be available on the description box below or in the episode description kung nakikinig kayo sa Spotify. So once again, thank you so much for listening and see you again on the next episode. Bye!
Bye!